Ah, there he is.
Yeah. Two? There's two around the bushes, you know?
Yeah, hang on.
Oh, he got hit, yeah.
Players on the mound! What's the corner of the building right there?
They're at the corner. They're up on the ridge on the far side of the building. One of the 13 guys to the front door, but that's
They're still in the corner of the building, two of them.
over there.
Right in the corner over there. Alright, go then. Yes. Go in. Target out. Stop it. Hit. In the actual, yeah, in there. That's about to run out of juice.
The wind's catching it at the last second. Oh, wait, those lots sponsor.
Yeah, they're all behind that big tree. In the doorway, Welshie!
Yep. Corner of the building.
I'm sick and tired of all this waiting.
I got the building covered, guys. Corner of the building. Corner of the building, buddy.
I'm gonna run across,
Go, go, go.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, hit! Nice one, buddy. Just see you around the corner.
Oh man, just ping my knee, man. Fair play.